Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to Baking with Chef Raphael, the show that's all about making baking fun at home. Well, subscribe so that you actually get all the updates whenever I upload a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy carrot cake. So for the ingredients we need an all-purpose flour. This is 245 grams. And to it I'll add 1.5 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. I'll add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. So this is the dry ingredients. I just need to mix everything together. Now for the wet ingredients, I'll start with 4 eggs, ,300 grams of sugar. To this, I'm actually mixing everything, and then I'll add 1 cup, that's 250 ml of oil. And then to this we add the dry ingredients, the flour mixture. So all I'm doing is to mix until all the flour is completely mixed through and no flour is visible. This is 340 grams. So that's all you need to do to mix it through until all the carrots is evenly distributed. Now, one thing you can also add is raisins or sultanas. So at that point, if you're going to add sultanas or raisins, you can reduce the amount of sugar. Otherwise, your cake will be extra sweet, but it's completely optional. And by the way, whenever you're baking, you need to preheat your oven first. So I've already turned on my oven. The oven is getting hot. It's 180 degrees. For this occasion, I'm actually using the round one. And it's just pouring until it's about 3/4 full, no more than that, in a baking tin. That will also apply for this one, the rectangular one. It should not be more than 3/4 filled up, and it's because you want to give the cake room to rise and not overflow and start messing up your oven. If you don't have an ice cream scoop, you can use a spoon or a small jug that you can actually pour into the molds. And then now the cake is ready for baking. So into the oven it will go. So now our carrot cake is ready, cupcakes. When you're ready with this, one way of serving it is just by taking icing sugar and then dusting it so that when you serve, you see carrots on the inside. And for the cupcakes, again, you can dust it with icing sugar or have some buttercream frosting on top. Same thing for the whole one, but if you're having it plain, because you can definitely have it plain, it's actually soft and fluffy, and I can smell the cinnamon. Very nice. I hope you learned something today. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like I said, so that you see all the other videos that I have. And until next time, have a nice time.